Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Accounts Simplified. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified when I upload the next video. Make sure you're watching the video till the end. Alright, without wasting much time, let's quickly dive right into the world of accounts. In our last class, we have discussed the theoretical aspects of accounting equation, how accounting equation is very important in business, which means whatever happens in business, whatsoever transactions taking place in business, accounting equation will always hold its place, no matter if goods are purchased or money goes out from the business or even a machine is purchased. Whatso transactions taking place in business, accounting equation will always hold its place. We have seen that, yes or no? So today I'm going to give you an example, or you can say we are going to solve a problem, and I will show you where the total of assets will always be equal to its liabilities plus capital. So without wasting time, let's quickly see the question. So this is the question which we will be solving together. Now I want to show you the performer, or you can say the format of the accounting equation. We will be having two columns. The left hand side, we will be writing the transactions, and it will be a much broader column. And on the right hand side, we will be writing assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. All right. So these are the two columns. Now, the first transaction. Let us assume that you have started a business of your own. So you started business with cash, say rupees 2 lakhs. So what will be the accounting treatment for this? Your accounting treatment will be 2 lakh we have introduced in the business in the form of what? Cash. So under the assets column, you will be writing 2 lakhs, and on the liability and on the capital column, also below capital, you will be writing 2 lakhs because that 2 lakh is your capital. So you see what comes, then we will draw a line, and you can see the new accounting equation will be 2 lakh under the assets is equal to liabilities. We don't have anything because we are starting our business solely with our own money, with our own cash. So under the capital, it's also 2 lakh. Liability is nil and capital is 2 lakh. You see the new accounting equation, assets is equal to capital. This is equal. Now next transaction, say purchase goods for cash rupees 50,000. What will be the accounting treatment? You have purchased goods in what? In the form of cash, which means it's a cash transactions. So cash means it's an asset. We will write cash under the cash column. Under the asset, we will be writing 50,000, and this 50,000 we will have to subtract it. Why we have to subtract it? Because goods is coming in into the business. When we make purchases, goods comes in into the business and cash goes out from the business. So in the cash, below cash, we will be subtracting 50,000, and then in the assets column, below assets, we will be writing stock. We will be writing stock plus 50,000. All right, plus 50,000. Now you see, when we draw a line, now what will be the accounting equation? It will be 2 lakh minus 50 because you have purchased the goods. Remaining will be 1 lakh. Balancing figure will be 1 lakh 50. And this 50, what you have done, you have brought goods, which means your stock will increase. Yes or no? So stock 50. So plus 50. And liabilities, we don't have any liabilities. And capital, we have 2 lakhs. So if you sum up, you see Assets is 2 lakh, 1 lakh plus 50 is equal to 2 lakh, or 1 lakh 50 plus 50,000 is equal to 2 lakh, and our liabilities plus capital is, liabilities is nil and capital is 2 lakh, so is equal to 2 lakh. You see, the accounting equation is tallied. Now, let's say another business transactions taking place. The next business transaction is purchase goods of rupees 50,000 on credit basis. Earlier it was cash, now we have purchased goods on credit basis. So what happens? Goods coming in into the business, but cash is not going out. Yes or no? Because it's on credit basis. So under the stock column, we will write 50. We will add 50,000. And on the liabilities side, because we haven't paid the cash, but we will have to pay in future. Yes or no? We haven't paid, but we will have to pay. So liabilities column, under liabilities column, we will write 50. Now, this does not lead to any increase in capital. Yes or no? Because liabilities will increase. Now we will draw a line and we will see the accounting equation. The cash column is 1 lakh 50. Stock, earlier we had 50,000 and now again we have another 50,000 of stock. So if we add this, we get 1 lakh. Yes or no? And under the liabilities column we have 50. We will bring it down, and from in the capital we have 2 lakhs. Now if you see, if you do the total, you see the assets are equal to liabilities plus capital. 1 lakh 50 plus 1 lakh is equal to 2 lakh 50. That is our left hand side, and our right hand side is 50,000 plus 2 lakh is equal to 2 lakh 50. Yes or no? You see, accounting equation is always being tallied. So whatsoever happens in the business, whatsoever transactions taking place in business, no matter whatever is happening in the business, accounting equation will always hold its place. Now, the next business transaction is sold half of the goods for cash. What will happen in such a situation? We have sold the goods. So when sales takes place in the business, cash comes in. Yes or no? Cash is coming in, and what's going out? Goods are going out. So our in our cash column, cash will increase. All right, and our stock column, it will, stocks are going to reduce because we have sold the goods to our customers. So how much of the goods have been sold? Half of the goods have been sold. So we have how much? Our stock is 1 lakh. So half of it is 50,000. Yes or no? So 50,000 we will deduct from the stock column, and in the cash column we will add 50 because cash will be coming in into the business. Now you see, every transaction has two effects. Yes or no? I said it. If one is happening debit, then the other will always be credit. So now if you draw a line, you will see the new accounting equation will be cash. Earlier it was 1 lakh 50, now again 50,000, it will be 2 lakh. And in the stock column, earlier it was 1 lakh, now stock has been reduced by 50. So if you subtract, you will see 50,000. And liabilities unchanged 50,000, capital is also unchanged 2 lakh. You see, if we do total, it's equal. Accounting equation always holds its place. The next business transactions, say for example, goods of rupees 10,000 sold on credit. Goods have been sold on credit. So in this situation, cash is not coming in. So under the cash column, we will not write anything. Stock has been reduced, yes or no? 10,000 goods have been sold, so we will minus 10,000 from stock column. And what happens is that 10,000 amount another, so this 10,000 we will be writing in the debtor column because we have sold the goods on credit. Yes or no? So debtor means our customers, they haven't paid the money yet, but they will be paying in future. So we'll write debtor, and in the debtor column we will introduce 10,000. Now if you do the total, you see cash 2 lakh, and then stock 50 minus 10 is 40,000, and debtor plus 10,000, and the liabilities and capital column remains unchanged. So you see the if we do the total, it will be equal 2 lakh plus 40,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 2 lakh 50. And the right hand side, liabilities and capital item, liabilities is 50, capital is 2 lakh. So you have seen accounting equation tallies. Now, say for example, you have paid to your creditor rupees 10,000. You have paid to your creditors, sorry, not 10,000, say for example 30,000 you have paid. So in such circumstances, what happens? We will always have to think from the point of view of the business. So cash will go, yes or no? Cash will reduce, so we will subtract 30,000 from cash, and 30,000 our liabilities will also decrease, yes or no? We have already made the payment. Earlier we have to pay 50,000, but since now we have paid 30, so we will write minus 30,000 in the liabilities column. Now the next accounting equation, if we draw a line, you will see the accounting equation will be cash will be now 70, 1 lakh 70. How? 2 lakh minus 30 is equal to 1 lakh 70. Stock will be same, 40,000. Debtors 10,000. And then liabilities will be 20,000. And credit capital will be 2 lakh. You see, now if we do the total, it will be equal. So you see, whatsoever transactions taking place in business, accounting equation will always hold its place. And if it does not tally, which means you have not passed the accounting treatment correctly. And if if it tallies, which means all the accounting treatment has been done correctly. So I hope you have understood this accounting equation with the help of an example. I'll be bringing some more practical problems in my next class. So if you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel to enjoy for more such content. Till then, record, reconcile and repeat.